Today's my crosswalk experience right now in Main Street and Broadway. I will be crossing the street now by myself, so yeah, no one's with me right now. So yeah.
Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue, traveling north.
This one actually says north. Basically, when I push the button, this one actually does a chirp.
Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue, traveling north.
North. This is actually says north, so we're gonna cross here, and we're gonna cross east. So, yeah. So, as you can see, so basically, I need to wave it. That one doesn't let me wave because it says push button for walk sign. Because other buttons do have wave touchless buttons, even though you have to wave it and it will say wait. But yeah, but you
Walk sign is on across Main Street. Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east.
Main Street. So this one actually says Main Street. So I said east because I'm still right. So
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east.
this one says Broadway, so we're gonna cross Broadway east. East is this way. We're gonna wait until the traffic lights will turn on any second. So
Wait.
this one actually says wait.
Wait.
Hold on.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling
Wow. This one actually says traveling east. Traveling east is this way.
Wait. Broadway Avenue.
There you go. So 20-second countdown in the other one. Let's see this one. No, that thing doesn't work. Oh, that one doesn't work because this one is actually not working. It was working like 1 year ago. Actually, this one actually doesn't work. Oh well, it doesn't work. Oh, there you go. Ah. 10 seconds.
8, 7, 6, 5.
And that's it.